I am sure pizza needs no introduction. Since its humble beginning in Italy, pizza has gone through numerous transformations to become the dish that so many people know and love today. Pizza is now a popular dish around the world, which is liked by kids and adults alike. Probably, there may not be anyone who has not had a slice of pizza in their lifetime. In this video, we will cover the history and some interesting facts about pizza. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This will help you to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded into this channel. Number 10. Where was the first modern-day pizza made? Modern pizza was developed in Naples, when tomato was added to the focaccia, in the late 18th century. Specifically, baker Raffaele Esposito from Naples is often given credit for making the first such pizza pie. However, the word pizza was first documented in AD 997, in Gaeta, Italy. Number 9. There are 4 primary kinds of mozzarella used to make pizza. Pizza cheese, fior di latte, mozzarella di bufala are 3 among them, which is the name of the 4th cheese used. Burrata is a fresh Italian cow milk cheese, made from mozzarella and cream. The outer shell is solid mozzarella, while the inside contains stracciatella and cream, giving it an unusual, soft texture. Number 8. Pizzas are sold most on which day of the week? Number 7. Which is the farthest point ever to have a pizza delivered? Yes, you heard it right. In 2001, Pizza Hut delivered a 6-inch salami pizza to the International Space Station, the first pizza delivered to outer space. Number 6. Chicago deep dish pizzas were first created in 1943. Which restaurant created this kind of pizzas? Chicago-style pizza is pizza prepared according to several different styles developed in Chicago. The most famous is deep dish pizza. The pan in which it is baked gives the pizza its characteristically high edge, which provides ample space for large amounts of cheese and a chunky tomato sauce. Number 5. Which was the first pizza place in America, New York City, that is still operating today? The first pizza place in America was Lombardis in New York City. Originally opened as a grocery store, Lombardis started selling pizza in 1905. Number 4. Domino's Pizza started 30 minutes or less guarantee for pizza delivery. However, why did they drop this plan? Domino's dropped its 30 minutes or less guarantee in 1993, after a series of lawsuits accused the company of promoting unsafe driving. Number 3. Tom Layman is a pizza expert and lives in Manhattan, Kansas. He helps the pizza chefs around the world who need help with their recipes. He is also called as Number 2. How long can a ready-to-eat pizza last? This was a bit tricky, isn't it? Here, we are not talking about the regular pizza that you order from Domino's or Pizza Hut. The US military lab recently invented a ready-to-eat pizza that can last for up to 3 years. The pizza is intended for soldiers abroad who are craving a slice. Number 1. What is the term given to that gooey layer between the base and toppings of a soggy slice of pizza? Gum line is a nightmare for pizza chefs. It's caused when dough is undercooked, has too little yeast, or is topped with sauce or cheese that's recently been pulled from the refrigerator. Hope you have now become a pizza expert yourself. Do let us know in the comments section which fact about pizza was interesting to you. Till we meet yet in another video, stay healthy and be informed.